Zip ties!
We had a little bit of madness coming down real quick. We were changing out the intercom to get audio for the voice recorder, and Anthony looked down and he found a crack in the transmission.
I need a Zeus tool to take the whole dash on. I had to pretty much take the whole truck apart to access the wiring. During that, I had spotted that the bell housing on the transmission had cracked during time trials or the practice lap.
Good thing I had my Ringer's gloves on, otherwise I would have got hot oil.
After we got all the wiring fixed, we had to change the transmission, and we did a pretty good job. I think we did it in about an hour-ish, plus or minus. Everything seems to be running good now.
Went in there, the guys handled it, knocked it out. Yeah.
Come on!
You got Captain Poole over there. He's doing a mighty fine job. All in all, we're a great team. We work great together, as you can tell. Yep, there they are.
Everybody's feeling pretty relaxed and having fun at this race. There's no pressure because we're not really in the points race for Snore. You know, we had a good time here last year. Almost won our first race here. It was very close. We really like the way that this race is, and we're gonna go out and try to win us a race.
Last year there was one or two like gnarly, deep, sandy, kind of off-camber turns. A truck or two rolled in a couple, but I don't think that'll happen in any of the infield things here. There's a nasty kind of like whoop section where it's not big, but it's like all asymmetric left and right and just random. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I mean, it should be real fast, kind of just like last year, and probably dusty, fortunately. We'll see. Hopefully there's a little breeze.
At the Laughlin race, the Rage in the River. The small vehicles are running right now. The car's getting ready, warmed up behind me. And we're gonna go out and run this 11-mile circuit and see what we can do.
Right now we got some magnetic warmers on the differential. We're warming up the oil inside there, kind of speed up the warm-up process for the morning. Put a little heat in it. It's less likely to have a fracture right off the start. That way it's up to operating temperature and the metal is expanded properly where everything will mesh together. We believe right now we got everything sorted out with the truck, and we're gonna go out and tear up some dirt.
So we just wrapped up the Best of the Desert Series last weekend. Had a pretty good year there, and we're here at the Snore Rage at the River. It's a 2-day event, short days each day, about 70-something miles, and it's a super fun event. We did pretty good last year until we kind of had a mechanical. Really enjoy this event, and we're not in a points race at all in the Snore Series. We just do a couple of the races throughout the year, so this doesn't really count for a whole lot. There's not a lot of strategy and worrying. It's just go out there and kind of have some fun. So I'm pretty excited. It looks like a really good day, and a little bit of breeze here, which is nice. It's gonna be dusty out there. It's gonna be crowded, and you know, hopefully just get through this day without any problems. And tomorrow we can kind of go nuts.
Yeah, it seems really fast. It might be dusty. I mean, it looks like the wind's dying down a little bit, so just pray for not that much dust and go fast for sure.
Where is my mind? Where is my mind?
5 main pit is set up and ready to rock.
Good copy, Sam. Say again?
5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. All right, brother, let's do some more. There we go.
It's dusty already. Look at that.
Yeah.
Go.
You're all good, Mark. Straight away. Big rocks and big holes, Mark. We got a big one after this right here, Mark.
You're doing f***ing good, dude. Your laps are getting faster and faster. Okay. Straight, Mark, you're good, you're good. You're coming a little kicker, huh? Yeah. You're gonna go straight and then do a hard left. Hard right into that big drop off, Mark. Okay, we got some big holes coming in here, okay? Okay. Out of the way. Good job, Mark. I thought you passed somebody. Push hard to these corners, Mark. We're done after this. Yep. Survived, man. Yeah. Nice f***ing job, dude. Show a f***ing good race, bud. That's a rough course, huh? Yeah, dude. That was f***ing gnarly. Yeah, I'd say so.
So the race today was a good race. We didn't have any issues. Real dusty. Right off the bat, the buggy, pulled ahead of us, and so we're in his dust kind of, for a lot of the time, and then into other people's dust, and so it's tough to kind of really go fast the dust. We had one lap out of the 5 where it was pretty clear almost the whole way, and that was fun. Definitely fun.
I can't believe how fast the tires spin on these things. It looks just like a riverboat with a jetovator, but with dirt. It's intense.
Mostly pretty clean race. We did blow one turn pretty hard, and unfortunately we had just passed somebody, but we were going so fast we blew the turn just after passing the guys, and then they took off. But looks like we got 3rd for trophy trucks, and 9th, 7th, 10th, somewhere right around there. 7th, 9th, something like that. Yeah, it's pretty good. There's no point slowing down today at all. I mean, just got to try to finish better than yesterday. Just go real fast, make sure we get through the infield clean and nobody passes us in a turn in the infield. We don't blow any corners. Once we get out of the infield, it'll be kind of like calm because we'll just be going fast with no dust, hopefully.
I think we're in a good opportunity to do the same thing as we had the opportunity last year. All we got to do is just hope the truck stays together and we stay together. So we'll definitely be on the ball for sure today. It's Sunday, so we're not going to hold back. We're going to go for it.
Last race of the year.
68, you got a copy, race 68. Thanks, Ben. Yeah, good copy, Sam, good copy. 10-4, you guys are loud and proud. All right, you ready to head over there? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, we're going to head over. Clear for takeoff. You guys go out there and have fun. Kick ass. Do some work. Good. Go, 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 go. Get right. Go get him. Watch out. Go. There you go. Got it, boy. Trophy truck 68, clearing race, mile 5. All good. You're good. Okay, you got a hard left and a big boulder, okay? Got it. All right, sweeper. Stay in it. Got that piece of asphalt in there, remember? Oh, yeah. coming up behind us. Keep going, keep going. Oh. Yeah, just stay calm, we got this, brother. You're driving just the way you did, okay? Yep. Mark, you gotta be fast and perfect for it. He's got right there. Right. Straight, straight. Medium right after this, Mark. Copy truck 68, clearing right mile 10, 10, all good. Get this corner clean, Mark. Go. Hey, good job. Yeah, that was a fun race, huh? Yeah, fuck off, man. Did a awesome job.
It was a really fun day because we were in the front right from the get-go, and you know, first lap and 3/4, there's nobody near us and nobody in front of us, so it was completely clear air all the time. Got to just drive fast, and so we're second, and Knuckles was first. He was first yesterday too, so I guess we're probably second for the weekend, more than likely, because the other guys DNF'd. Laps were good and fast. We had no issues. Stayed on the course the whole time, which is good, and you know, no flats, no mechanicals, so it was good. Great way to end the year, for sure. With good finish, and just, you know, truck went great, and Jordan and I are, you know, starting to get a good rhythm going with, you know, what kind of information I need out of him. Kind of like last year, you do the race, and you're like, wow, okay, that's a great way to end the year, and you get all psyched for the next year. You know, you got another 6 or 7 weeks coming up, and now everybody's all amped up. Like 2 good races, you know, weekend to weekend, from Henderson and now Rage at River. So, you know, going to Parker, I'm sure everyone's just gonna be super psyched and pumped up to start the year good again.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Don Wall, president of Snore. I'm one badass beep.com. When we...
Thanks for that. Thanks for the bleeping.
You like that? A little late. I'm trying to censor that stuff anyways, you know.